Hey guys, what's happening? It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a explanation of the Amtrak B32-8WH. The B32-8WH was built by General Electric at their Erie plant. All 20 of them that Amtrak ordered were built and delivered in December of 1991. These engines help replace the older Amtrak F40PHs, and then later on they ordered the P42DCs. There are some differences between the regular C40-8W and the B32-8WH and the B40-8W that you would see on the main line. First things first, the cab is pretty much the same with just a couple of different modifications. It has the nose headlight that is an Amtrak mechanical requirement, and they even have two marker lights to signify one thing. If that engine was in push mode, they will turn those marker lights on and it will mark the end of that train. As we come on down the locomotive, we have the lower ditch light positions here on the front, like Santa Fe had them, and later CSX with their C40-8s, Ws. Number boards on top. The window configuration is the same on both the B40-8W and the C40-8W, so none of that has changed. Battery boxes are pretty much the same. But if we come down here, you notice the fuel tank is smaller. That is about an 1,800-gallon fuel tank, and this engine is 3,200 horsepower. It's a 12-cylinder engine, and the engines are built smaller to help the locomotive gain faster speeds at a quicker rate. The gear ratio is 74 to 29, and this engine will run about 1,100 RPMs, 1,100 revolutions per minute. So and that's pretty good for a passenger locomotive. This is pretty much the passenger version of a B40-8W. That's all it is. As you can see, it is in the beautiful Phase 5, and you don't see these on the main line anymore. Amtrak only has kept 18 of these engines. Two of them went to the California Department of Transportation, which were 501 and 502. Both of those are over there working Amtrak's California service. But you're seeing a lot at the auto train terminals. Los Angeles is where they use them a lot. Chicago's another place, and I'm sure Beech Grove they use them a little bit too. But they're very, very hard to spot, so you got to go somewhere where you think you can spot one. And I just happened to catch this one at one of the auto train terminals. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this Amtrak-8. It's certainly cool to see one of these because you don't see these anymore. I just really wish to put two of them on the main line and pull a really nice train. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I thank you guys for watching.